Activating jack mode on your Lincoln Navigator prevents severe air suspension damage when lifting the vehicle. Access the vehicle settings menu on your infotainment screen to disable the air suspension before using a floor jack or hoist. The Navigator utilizes an advanced load-leveling air suspension system. If you lift the SUV without turning this system off, the computer detects the wheels dropping and attempts to level the ride height. This forces the air compressor to run continuously. It can blow out the air struts or burn out the compressor motor entirely. Start the vehicle or put the ignition into accessory mode. Look at the center sync display screen on the dashboard. Tap the settings icon. Navigate directly to the vehicle settings menu. Scroll down until you locate the suspension section. Select the control for the air suspension. Toggle the switch to the off position. A message will appear on your instrument cluster confirming the system is disabled. You can now safely position your floor jack or hoist under the factory lift points. Perform your tire change, brake job, or suspension work without risking system failure. The air struts will remain locked in place. The compressor will not engage while the wheels are suspended off the ground. Lower the vehicle back to the ground once your mechanical repairs are complete. Start the engine and go back into the same vehicle settings menu on the center screen. Toggle the air suspension switch back to the on position. The system will repressurize and automatically level the SUV back to its standard ride height.